and welcome everyone. This webinar is focused on how print companies are growing sales and reducing order management costs with the help of technology. We at OnPrintShop have been helping print service providers across the globe as a web-to-print technology partner, helping them get into new print product segments and serve a variety of sales channels in order to increase sales. With the help of technology, they are also able to retain their existing customers and reduce the order management cost to process the order. Most importantly, we understand the challenges of SME print service providers. So we are providing the web-to-print consultancy, personalized support to quickly help them set up an online ordering portals. Even the solution what we have developed is easy to implement, which can be launched with the list of IT skills. And in this webinar, we would like to share the success stories of successful print companies and how they have grown sales and reduced order management cost with the help of OnPrintShop. One of the clients is Silver Point Press Private Limited. They are leading commercial printers, offers high quality sheet fed and digital facilities for a wide range of products. They are one of the best printer in the country, so they already have a huge setup and the best infrastructure, including the latest print equipments, technology like MIS workflow to automate their production processes. So in 2016, they implemented OnPrintShop with the core focus offering the personalized experiences to their end customers, reducing order management cost for the small orders, and to easily introduce new print products to their customers. Without having an online storefront, it was very difficult for them introducing the new products and services for their customers. And with the help of technology, they also able to centralize the order management for B2C and B2B, so they achieve great results. They also streamline the back-end print processes. And they also tied up as a supplier with an international marketing company who had a strong online presence, offering personalized designs online, and they selected Silver Point as their print fulfillment partner. So with online storefront, they improved the experience for their customers, improved productivity, and they also acquired a large marketing company as a fulfillment partner. So let me take you through quickly the customer journey on their storefront. So this is their online storefront which they have launched with the brand name of Print Nation. Earlier, their customer was only having an option to order with them via email, calls, and walk-in. But now they have a high-end website offering the wide range of products online, matching with their brands and services. Now, this complete storefront is developed on a latest technology, so customers are also able to access it from a smartphone or tablet. So this is a complete mobile responsive site. Now, here they have set a variety of products, so customers are able to pick up the product if they're interested in, select the size, select the quantity, and they get an estimate online. When it has a connection with the shipping provider, so it also gives them the shipping rate, and customers are able to upload the file if they would like to order. Now, Silver Point has a print capability of digital as well as offset. They have a lot of print equipments. So they're also offering the higher quantities as well. So this dynamic price calculator is also rule-based. So they are also able to offer the options and the pricing as per the smaller quantity which they would print on digital, but they're also offering the larger quantity. So the dynamic price calculator rules would also change according to the quantity which customers are selecting. So customers are able to easily get an estimate online and they're able to upload the file and submit the order. Now, many of the smaller customers who they do not have the ready designs. So here they are also offering online design options. So their graphic designers, earlier they were getting busy in terms of creating the artwork changes or creating the files for the customers. But now those graphic designers are able to create and add creative templates in an online designer studio, which they have to do only one time. And then the customers who do not have the file are able to pick up the templates which they like online by selecting the product. And they're able to personalize online using an online designer studio. The online designer studio supports products like stationery products, promotional products, apparel products like business cards, greeting cards. Even there is a photo book module. So they have also set up photo book templates for the customers. So customers who do not have a file, they're also able to easily design online without any dependency of the graphic designers. Plus, they are serving variety of customers, retail, SME, B2B, resellers. So they also have a different pricing and terms with their customers. So a lot of customers who are retail get the retail price, but they also have special price for certain regular customers. So they're also able to set up a different pricing point. So when they log in, they see a different cost. Plus these customers, they're also offering the credit limit like pay on account. Now, many of the customers buy the regular item. So they have also made easy for customers to reorder any of the files which they regularly order. So any SME B2B who regularly orders a business card, which is also set up as a template in the customer My Account portfolio. So if they want the same business card again, they can simply log in, customize the limited things on the business card and order it. Also, many of the pre-printed items like brochures is also preset. So SME B2B are able to log in, get an instant estimate, and if they want to order any of the previous files, it is also stored in the customer my account. So gradually, lot customers are ordering online. Still, not every customers are ordering online, but then they're also emailing to the sales rep, and sales reps are also able to easily log in into the system, select the template what customer requires, and they're able to order on behalf of the customer. And the Silver Point is also serving some medium to large corporate customers. These corporate customers are huge corporate organizations. They have multiple locations. Some of them are having franchisee network. So they have created a private portal. So for these large customers who are having multiple locations, their employee are given an access to the portal. And here they have set up a specific product pricing and templates with these corporate customers' purchases. So a lot of print-on-demand items are set up here. A lot of pre-printed brochures, stock items are also set up for the customers for easy order. And a lot of products, for example, kit items. So many of the items, if they're ordering as a kit, are also they have set up into this online portal. So these customers who are a medium to large corporates are given their own individual private portal. Apart from that, they also tied up with one of the large marketing company as a fulfillment partner. So this marketing company launched their online portal in India, but they did not have a print capability. So they were looking for a print partner who has a high-end infrastructure and who can give the high-end print quality to their customers. So they tied up with the Print Nation. And for Print Nation, we also created a specific API because this marketing company has their own online portal and they submit the jobs in JSON and XML for fulfillment. So we created this API which reads this marketing company's portal, all the orders which are received in JSON and XML, and we are creating the order in the OnPrintShop backend along with the customer details, print verify, and the shipping label. So without any human intervention, these orders are automatically pushed into the production. So this is a major achievement from the Print Nation to be chosen as a fulfillment partner, and which is only possible because of the technology. Now daily they're able to process few hundred to 1,000 orders without any human intervention. Apart from that, there are all the other customers who are ordering via online portal who are B2C, B2B. All the orders are synchronized into a centralized place. We have also connected their accounting system, workflow system. So we are transferring the orders which are received in online storefront via XML into the third-party system. So this is how they actually transform their business for their customers and achieve the centralized order management system for the customers. They not only tied up with the large players to process hundreds of orders in a day, but they also, at the same time, they also been able to manage the small orders online. So now they have a strong infrastructure and also they have a strong storefront technology for the customers in order to give them the personalized experience and process quality print. If you're interested in launching an online storefront and introduce new products and services, visit us at onprintshop.com and set up a time with Web2Print consultant who will understand your current business goals and share ideas how you can grow your print sales.